Welcome to 4x Income. I am your AI host at this channel that's all about helping you to earn more money and achieve financial freedom. So, let's continue to this video and see how you can create AI videos by using your own AI characters just like me.
Hello everyone. Welcome to this video. Today we will discuss about how to create videos for our YouTube channel using AI tools. So, open Google and type Mavio. Once the results have been extracted, then click on the first link. Mavio is an AI-powered video creating tool where you just have to upload your textual video script and it will generate a video accordingly. Let's get started by clicking on Try Mavio for free, which will open the AI platform in another window. Here we have different options by using which we can get benefits from this platform. Here we have multiple options on left side such as home and templates and avatar, etc. Furthermore, we have import PowerPoint slides and create video options on top right corner. Under Create Video button, there are two further sizes such as landscape and portrait screen sizes to create your AI video for YouTube channel. Furthermore, you have multiple predefined templates which could be used for YouTube videos or shorts and reels. Let's get started by clicking on Avatar option in left pane. Once this window is completely loaded, then we can see multiple pre-generated avatars which could be used for recording a video. From all of these pre-generated avatars, we can select anyone and start creating our AI videos, but let's start by clicking on Create Video button on top right corner and then selecting the landscape option as we want to create the video for our YouTube channel, which will open your personalized AI video editor where there is a predefined character being selected automatically. Let's close this editor window and go to home screen where we can start it for creating the video by using another way of start with an avatar, as followed earlier. Let's click this option and it will load some pre-generated avatars along with the option of pick an avatar of your own desire. Let's select this one and then start creating an AI video in our editor, where we can resize, drag and drop this character. Let's customize this canvas and delete all the pre-used items so that we could further use this avatar in our personalized videos. Let's discuss different options available in this studio, such as the undo button, which could be used for reverting any current changes. Then we have some options for displaying our options, where we can use the half body option to automatically crop the face along with the circle view, as it is a free version of this AI tool. So here we have a watermark on the bottom, so let's change the background of this video to green so that we could reuse this talking character after changing its background easily. For changing the background, just right-click on the canvas and under Scene Background option, let's select the background color. Once the background is removed, let's switch back to half body option. Then we have the Swap Face option, which could be used to swap your own or any other face instead of this predefined face. Then we have the Alignment option, which shows that how we could align our character automatically to left align, center align or right align to canvas. Let's move forward and discuss some options about adding the text and audio scripts. Here in the below window, we can paste our video script of just select the pre-recorded audio files. Along with text script, we have different audio studio options, i.e. playback speed and voice pitch or character to be used. Let's click this option and it will open another window with multiple further options such as select the voice gender, age and language. Let's select the voice option of mid-aged male with English accent. Here on the left side of this window, there are some sample voices from where you can just play and select the pre-selected options. Let's try some voices.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
Let's select this first character voice over and write some sample text in the text script editor. Once the script has been added, then just click on the Play Script button on bottom right corner and it will start processing our AI video. Once the audio is generated, Let's play it and see how it works.
Welcome everyone, this video is to educate people that how to create videos using AI tools.
It seems good, so let's click the Submit button on top right corner and it will ask us to create a Mavio account. Here you can create an account by following simple steps or by just continuing with Google. I already have created an account, so let's move forward and generate our AI video. Again, we are asked to confirm the submission of our desired video. Here, the most important thing is that we have 1 minute credit in our free account which could be used on this platform, and in this example case we are using our 7 seconds credit. Once you press the Submit button, then it will start processing our AI video. Let's wait for a moment, and here we have our AI generated video with AI talking avatar and audio lip sync. Let's check how it sounds.
Welcome everyone, this video is to educate people that how to create videos using AI tools.
Hooray! We have successfully created an AI-based video. But we can extend it by using our own face. Let's open the avatar options and click the See All option, which will open the extended view of predefined avatars along with some more options such as Add New. Click this option, and here we can upload our own picture for generating the talking avatar or generate an AI-based avatar. Let's select this second option of Generate Talking Photo and provide some additional information about our required character, such as a male character whose half body will be shown with space art background, and click the Generate button. It will start processing and we will have a new customized talking avatar. Sounds exciting? So, please stay tuned. Like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more exciting updates.